In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund through PayPal. This entire process is simple and should take us about 5 minutes to complete. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access your PayPal account. To do that, open your browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. If you're new to PayPal, you'll find it offers a comprehensive range of services, from mobile wallet functions to more extensive payment management. PayPal truly is a versatile platform, and today we're focusing on requesting refunds. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log in. You can do this by clicking on the login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Make sure to enter your username and password correctly. Logging in should bring you to your account's main dashboard, where you'll be able to see your account overview and recent activities. After logging in, there's one more step in securing your account: authentication. At this stage, PayPal might ask you to verify your identity via a text. You'll see an option that says "Get a WhatsApp text" or "Get a text." Simply choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Following these steps provides an extra layer of security to ensure your account remains protected. Now that you're logged in and verified, you'll want to head over to the PayPal home. This is essentially your main dashboard and is labeled as "Summary" on the PayPal website. Here you'll see various options regarding your account, most notably your recent transactions. The next step is to check your Activity tab. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to a detailed list of all your recent transactions. Spend a moment getting familiar with this page. It's pivotal for tracking any refunds or payments you might have made. The page is comprehensive, allowing you to filter transactions by date, type, and status, which is particularly useful if you have numerous transactions to sift through. Once you are on the activity page, you'll need to select the transaction in question. Carefully scan through your recent transactions to find the specific one related to your refund inquiry. Once you locate it, click on it to get more details. The transaction details page provides extensive information, including the date of the transaction, involved parties, and most importantly, the option to request a refund. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently request a refund in just a few moments. PayPal has made the process straightforward and easier for users to manage payments and refunds. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate refund requests with ease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.